Hello, hello! Are you a nature lover or something? Then, if that's so, please be with me as we're going to explore the amazing and beautiful landscape of Dodder Regional Park na matatagpuan dito sa Auckland, New Zealand. Here we go, and this is the main entrance of the park, where you can see a lot of sheep over there. Nagkalat yung mga tupa, guys. Grabe, ang ganda. So, I walked and ran para madali kong maabot ko yung pinakatap ng hills, or you can see the beautiful landscape of Dodder Regional Park. Dodder Regional Park is a little-known gem in southeast Auckland, a favorite amongst locals. It is the must-visit for tourists looking for an authentic glimpse of rural life in New Zealand. Guys, sino ba naman ang hindi mapatalon at mapatakbo sa napagandang view? As in, super overlooking talaga, guys. And it's a great place to catch a breath of fresh air and stunning scenery. At kapag naman ikaw ay napapagod sa kakakalakad, so may mga upuan dyan, guys, sa pinakatap ng mga bundok. Like, pwede ka dyan maupo, kain-kain, pahinga, inom, magmuni-muni sa napagandang view. As in, guys, tingnan nyo. Ang ganda talaga, nakakawala ng stress. Nakakawala ng problema. As in, parang paraiso talaga siya. Ang ganda, tingnan, grabe, oh. Wow. Sa dami na ng mga farm park na puntahan ko dito sa Auckland, but ito talaga ang napaganda talaga tingnan. As in, guys, ang daming mga hayop. May mga baka pa ngayon sa kabila eh. Grabe, guys, no? Nakakamangha talaga ang nature sa New Zealand. Thank you for watching. Please follow and share.